Hi everyone, Lila here, coming at you from upstate New York. Today, I've got a fun and simple experiment that you can probably do with things that you've got lying around your house. Let's get started. This week, we are learning all about the deep sea. And if you've taken our deep sea class on the island, you probably know that the deep sea is cold. In fact, it can be as cold as 30 degrees Fahrenheit or -1 degrees Celsius. That's colder than the freezing point of water. Today, we're going to look at 2 ways that animals can survive and adapt to the cold water of the deep sea. For the experiment on cold-blooded animals, all you're going to need is an ice cube tray and some witch hazel. Fill up your ice cube tray with 1 row of witch hazel, 1 row of water, and 1 row of a mixture of the 2 of them, just like I've pictured here. Then put it in the freezer for about an hour. In this experiment, the witch hazel represents an antifreeze compound, which is found in the bodies of cold-blooded organisms in the deep sea. These animals, such as bony fish or osteichthyes, use these antifreeze compounds to keep their fluids from freezing in the cold waters of the deep sea. As you can see here, the witch hazel did not freeze solid, even when it was mixed with water. It became more of a slush. This is because witch hazel has a lower freezing point than water. It's an antifreeze compound. Did you get the same results when you tried this at home? What would happen if you used a different liquid, like chocolate syrup or laundry detergent? Keep these questions in mind as we look at our second adaptation. For the warm-blooded experiment, you're going to need 2 plastic bags, a rubber band, a bowl of ice water, and 1 stick of Crisco. We're using Crisco in this experiment to emulate blubber, a fatty substance used as insulation by warm-blooded animals, like deep-diving whales and dolphins. This fatty layer helps them keep warm in cold waters. For this experiment, open the Crisco and put it in one of the bags. Smush it around a little bit. Then, put the other bag on your hand and secure it with the rubber band. Place your bagged hand into the bag of Crisco. Once you're ready, place both hands in the ice water. See which one's warmer. I think you'll find out that your hand that's in Crisco will stay pretty comfortably warm for a long time. See how long you can hold it in the ice water for before it starts to feel cold. I think the effectiveness of the blubber, or Crisco, will surprise you. Y'all, that's it for today. I had a lot of fun trying this experiment. The Crisco worked way better than I thought it was going to, and I learned a lot about cold-blooded organisms as well. Make sure you try this at home, and if you do, film yourself and send it to us. We want to see your reactions as well. Thanks so much, everyone. See you next time on See Me Science.